This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Volkswagen battery. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. It's crucial to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from potential battery acid or sparks. Remember, always disconnect the negative terminal first to avoid any accidental electrical shorts during the process. Taking these precautions will ensure a safe and smooth battery replacement. Now, let's get to removing the old battery. First, locate your Volkswagen's battery. It's typically under the hood, but some models might have it in the trunk. Using a wrench, carefully loosen the nut on the negative terminal clamp and remove the cable. Next, do the same for the positive terminal. Once both cables are free, unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray. This will allow you to safely lift out the old battery. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. Before placing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps thoroughly to ensure good contact. Carefully set the new battery into the tray, making sure it's seated securely, then refasten any hold-down clamps or straps. Now, connect the positive terminal first, tightening it firmly. Finally, attach the negative terminal and tighten it securely. Double-check all connections for tightness. You're almost done. For added longevity, apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both battery terminals. Give all your connections a final check to ensure they are secure and that the battery itself is stable in its tray. Remember to dispose of your old battery responsibly at a certified recycling center. It's also a good idea to have your vehicle's charging system checked to ensure it's operating optimally with your new battery. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.